which is a practical extraction and reporting language. It is considered a general-purpose language that is developed by Larry Wall in 1987. Originally, the language was used for text manipulation for Unix-like operating systems. During 1992, Perl was beginning to show restrictions in its programs. At that time, the language was suitable for writing small programs, so Larry found that it was time to introduce a new version, Perl 5. Now Perl is known as a glue language because it binds things together, like tying databases to web pages, converting files from one format to another. It is available on cross-platforms like Microsoft, Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. The Perl language is now used for a variety of task purposes. The most popular use of Perl is in web development. Perl is also used to automate many tasks in the web servers and other administration jobs. It can automatically generate emails and clean up systems. Perl is used for its original purpose, example, extracting data and generating reports. It can produce reports on resource use and check for security issues in a network. Due to this reason, Perl has become a popular language used in web development, networking, and bioinformatics too. Apart from all, Perl can be used for CGI programming.
Thanks to a vibrant community of programmers, installing the Perl language has become a rather painless process. Simply search Perl on Google and click the first result that pops up. Once you arrive at the site, go to the top right corner of their website, click the Download tab, and find the Windows section once you click this Download tab. I would then personally recommend the Strawberry Perl version as it is the more beginner-friendly and user-friendly version. Once you download the setup program, simply run the program and enjoy the Perl language. For iOS and Linux users, it is even easier. Believe it or not, you actually have it installed on your computer already. All you have to do is open the terminal application and run the Perl for iOS, or run it on the command line for Linux. To update the version of the Perl, go to the website again, click the Download tab, and find the respected iOS tab or the Linux tab. Download the setup program and install the newest version and enjoy.
So we're going to look at two data types. The first one is a scalar. A scalar is a variable that stores a single value. As you can see in the following examples, a scalar variable must be prefixed by a $sign. And it can be any kind of data such as an integer number, floating point, a string, a paragraph, or even an entire web page. The second data type we'll look at is an array. An array is a list that stores a group of scalar variables. As you can see in the example, you must use @ in front of the variable name to define your array. And in order to act as a single element of an array, you must use the $sign. Now let's take a look at decision structure. A user must have one or more conditions to be evaluated with a statement to be executed if the condition is true, and optionally other statements to be executed if the condition is false. Moving on, you may use following loops such as for loop, while loop, until loop, and for each loop in a situation when you need to execute a block of code several times. There are other loop control statements such as next, last, continue, redo, and go to statements.
The future of Perl. Although Perl's use as a web development tool is declining, its use as an administrative language is increasing. There are several reasons why Perl is here to stay. 1. Perl is useful at running large system administration scripts. 2. The comprehensive Perl archive network has over 250,000 software modules and is continuously being updated. 3. A new version of Perl, Perl 6, was recently released. And lastly, Perl is favored by developers because it's flexible and powerful. It continues to be widely used because it is mature and stable. Additional resources. Here below are a collection of several different resources. These resources range from being best suited for someone with no programming experience and being best suited for someone with a lot of programming experience. On the left is a selection of online sources. On the right are books available at UT libraries. That concludes our presentation. Thank you for your time and have a great day.